If you need to unlock your card on Square, follow these straightforward steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the process efficiently. Step 1. Open the Square app. Launch the Square app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to Card Settings. Once in the app, go to the Settings menu. Look for the option labeled Card or Payment Methods to find your card settings. Step 3. Select your card. In the card settings, locate the card you wish to unlock. Tap on it to view more details and options related to your card. Step 4. Unlock your card. Look for the option to unlock your card. This may be labeled as Unlock Card or similar. Follow the prompts to confirm the unlocking process. Step 5. Confirm unlocking. After initiating the unlock, you may receive a confirmation message or notification. Ensure that your card is now active and ready for use. After completing these steps, your card should be unlocked and functional. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Square's customer support for further assistance.